Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2 won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can stem from a variety of reasons such as a drained battery, faulty power adapter, or even internal component failures. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further damage, making repair more complicated and costly. To get started with the repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement battery or power supply if necessary, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect the components. First, ensure your work area is clean and well lit. Begin by carefully turning your Acer N19H2 upside down. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the back panel. Be sure to keep the screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips. Inside, locate the battery or power connector. If it's the battery that's faulty, disconnect it by gently pulling the connector away from the motherboard. If you suspect the power supply, follow the same procedure to locate and disconnect it. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've safely disconnected the faulty component, replace it with the new battery or power supply. Make sure the connections are secure, as loose connections can cause further issues. After replacing the component, carefully reattach the back panel by aligning it and pressing down gently until it clicks back into place. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tight, but be cautious not to over-tighten them as this may damage the casing. Finally, turn your Acer N19H2 back over and press the power button to check if it turns on successfully. If it does, congratulations! You've completed the repair. To prevent this problem from occurring in the future, ensure that you're using the original power adapter and avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures. Regularly check for any signs of wear on the battery and consider replacing it if you notice a significant reduction in performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.